Welcome to my Pocket Change Coins channel, another exciting journey into the world of rare coins and hidden treasures. Today, we're diving deep into the history, significance, and value of one of the most fascinating coins ever minted in the United States, the gold $1 coin from 1849 to 1850. This small but extraordinary coin has captured the hearts of collectors and historians alike. Its story is not just about gold, it's about America during one of its most transformative periods. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the incredible tale of this tiny yet mighty piece of history. The story begins in the late 1840s, a time of great change and opportunity in America. The California gold rush of 1848 had set the stage for a massive influx of gold into the economy. Thousands of fortune seekers flocked westward, hoping to strike it rich in the gold fields. This newfound wealth led to an important decision by the United States Mint, the creation of a $1 coin made entirely of gold. In 1849, the first gold $1 coins were struck. These coins were not only the smallest in physical size but also represented a significant innovation in American coinage. Measuring just 13 millimeters in diameter, they were delicate, intricate, and visually stunning. Designed by chief engraver James B. Longacre, the obverse of the coin featured a bold Liberty head design, while the reverse displayed a simple yet elegant wreath encircling the denomination. These coins were made from 90% gold and 10% copper, giving them durability while maintaining their monetary value. Their small size made them practical for transactions but also a challenge for daily use, as they were easy to lose. Despite this, the coins quickly gained popularity and were widely circulated during their time, but here's where the story gets even more interesting. The gold $1 coin from 1849 to 1850 wasn't just another piece of currency, it became a symbol of the gold rush era. Its production was a direct result of the gold discoveries in California, connecting it forever to one of the most iconic periods in American history. Over the years, these coins became increasingly rare. Their small size meant that many were lost or melted down, reducing the number of surviving specimens. Today, finding an 1849 or 1850 gold $1 coin in good condition is like discovering a piece of buried treasure. For collectors, these coins are highly sought after not only for their rarity but also for their historical significance. Now, let's talk about value. The price of these coins depends on their condition, rarity, and provenance. In most cases, they're worth far more than their face value. But for truly exceptional pieces, those that have been preserved in pristine condition, the value can skyrocket. For instance, one such coin from this era was recently sold for an astounding $217,000. Yes, you heard that right, $217,000. This remarkable price reflects not only the coin's rarity but also the passion and dedication of collectors who recognize its importance. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of the gold $1 coin from 1849 to 1850. It's more than just a coin, it's a window into a defining moment in American history. Next coin is the United States gold $1 coin from the years 1809 to 1817. Is a rare and remarkable piece of history that continues to captivate collectors and enthusiasts around the world. Though small in size, its significance in the realm of numismatics and American heritage is enormous. Now, we're delving into the fascinating story of this elusive coin, exploring its origins, design, and value, as well as why it remains such a sought-after treasure. The early 19th century was a period of growth and transformation for the young United States. The economy was evolving, and the use of gold in coinage was becoming increasingly important. Gold coins symbolized stability and wealth, and their production reflected the growing confidence of a nation finding its place in the world. However, it's important to note that the gold $1 coin we know today didn't yet exist during this period. So, what makes the mention of 1809 to 1817 so intriguing? This timeframe represents an era in which the foundations of American gold coinage were being laid. The gold eagle coins, specifically $10 pieces, were prominent, but smaller denominations of gold coins were not yet minted. The scarcity of smaller gold coins during this period created a challenge for everyday transactions, as large denominations were impractical for smaller purchases. This gap in the system is part of the reason the idea of a gold $1 coin began to take root later on. Although no official gold $1 coins were minted during these years, collectors and enthusiasts often speculate about patterns, trial pieces, and unofficial strikes from private mints. These rare pieces, often referred to as gold tokens or experimental designs, are steeped in mystery. They reflect the creativity and resourcefulness of an era when gold was king, and their scarcity adds an undeniable allure for modern collectors. The designs of gold coins during this time were elegant and symbolic. The obverse often featured liberty, representing freedom and the spirit of the American people. The reverse, adorned with an eagle, symbolized strength and independence. While these motifs would later influence the design of the official gold $1 coin, their presence in earlier coins connects them to a legacy of artistry and national pride. What truly makes coins from this era special is their rarity. Coins, patterns, or tokens linked to 1809 to 1817 are incredibly difficult to find. Many have been lost to time, melted down, or remain hidden in private collections. For numismatists, uncovering one of these pieces is akin to discovering a long-lost artifact, a tangible link to the past. Now, let's address the question on every collector's mind: how much is a coin from this period worth today? The answer lies in its condition, authenticity, and historical significance. Coins from this time that are linked to experimental designs or private mint issues have been known to fetch extraordinary prices at auctions. In a recent sale, a coin associated with this period, a piece considered one of the rarest and most valuable examples, was sold for a jaw-dropping $250,000. That's right, $250,000. This incredible value speaks to the enduring fascination with America's numismatic history and the lengths collectors will go to own a piece of it. The next United States gold $1 coin from 1841 is a captivating piece of American history, steeped in mystery, rarity, and immense value. This small yet powerful coin stands as a testament to a pivotal era in the nation's development and offers a fascinating glimpse into the world of 19th-century coinage. Now, we're going to uncover the story behind this extraordinary coin, its design, history, and why it holds such incredible worth in the world of numismatics. To understand the significance of the gold $1 coin from 1841, we need to explore the broader context of America during this time. The early 1840s were a period of economic recovery and growth after the Panic of 1837. Gold was becoming an increasingly important element of the monetary system, providing a stable foundation for the nation's expanding economy. The use of gold in coinage symbolized wealth and security, reflecting the aspirations of a growing country. The gold $1 coin was a revolutionary idea, but it had not yet been officially introduced in 1841. Instead, this year is marked by patterns and experimental pieces created by the United States Mint as they explored the feasibility of smaller gold coins. These trial pieces, sometimes referred to as experimental strikes, were produced in extremely limited quantities, making them incredibly rare and highly desirable for collectors today. The design of the 1841 gold dollar is both simple and elegant. On the obverse, you'll find a depiction of liberty, a timeless symbol of freedom and the American spirit. Her profile is surrounded by a ring of stars, representing the states in the Union. The reverse features a delicate wreath encircling the denomination and year, showcasing the artistry and attention to detail of the mint's engravers. Though small in size, these coins were crafted with precision, highlighting the importance of gold coinage in the nation's monetary system. What makes the 1841 gold $1 coin so intriguing is its rarity. These coins were not widely circulated, and many were either melted down or lost over time. Today, only a handful of these coins are known to exist, making them some of the most sought-after treasures in American numismatics. For collectors, owning an 1841 gold dollar is not just about its monetary value, it's about holding a piece of history, a tangible connection to the past. The scarcity of these coins has made them incredibly valuable. Their worth is determined by their condition, provenance, and the sheer difficulty of finding one. Even coins that are not in perfect condition command impressive prices due to their historical importance and rarity. In the world of auctions and private sales, coins from this era often fetch extraordinary sums. But there's one particular example of the 1841 gold $1 coin that stands out. This coin, preserved in remarkable condition and boasting an impeccable history, was recently sold for an astonishing $213,000. That's right, $213,000 for a single coin. This incredible value reflects not only the rarity of the coin but also the passion of collectors who recognize its importance in the story of America's gold coinage. So, whether you're a seasoned collector or simply a history enthusiast, the 1841 gold $1 coin offers a glimpse into a bygone era, where gold symbolized prosperity and progress. Now, next coin is the United States gold $1 coin minted in 2000 at the Philadelphia Mint, commonly known as the 2000p gold dollar, holds a special place in the world of coin collecting. While the year 2000 may seem modern compared to other coins of historical significance, this coin carries its own fascinating story, rarity, and an impressive value that has captured the attention of collectors worldwide. Now, we'll dive deep into the history, design, and extraordinary worth of this unique coin. To understand the 2000p gold dollar, we need to revisit the turn of the millennium. The year 2000 was a time of excitement, anticipation, and innovation. It marked the beginning of a new century and brought with it a renewed sense of progress. In the world of coinage, it was a year of experimentation and creativity. The United States Mint had recently launched the Sacagawea dollar, a golden-colored coin that would replace the Susan B. Anthony dollar. The 2000p gold dollar is a product of this era, and while most of these coins were struck with a manganese brass composition to give them their golden appearance, a very small number were struck in actual gold. These gold coins were not intended for general circulation but were experimental pieces created to test minting techniques and explore potential new materials. The design of the 2000p gold dollar is both iconic and meaningful. The obverse features Sacagawea, the Shoshone guide and interpreter who played a critical role in the Lewis and Clark expedition. Her portrait, designed by artist Glenna Goodacker, depicts her carrying her infant son, Jean-Baptiste, on her back, a powerful image of strength, resilience, and motherhood. The reverse showcases a soaring eagle, symbolizing freedom and the spirit of the United States, surrounded by 17 stars representing the states in the Union at the time of the Lewis and Clark expedition. What sets the 2000p gold dollar apart is its rarity. Only a handful of these experimental gold coins were ever struck, and most were never released to the public. Some were retained by the mint for archival purposes, while others ended up in private collections, often under mysterious circumstances. This scarcity has made the coin one of the most sought-after modern rarities in American numismatics. The story doesn't end there. The 2000p gold dollar is shrouded in intrigue. Over the years, a few of these coins have surfaced, often sparking debates about their authenticity and provenance. Each discovery generates excitement among collectors and numismatic experts, as these coins are not only rare but also represent a unique chapter in the history of U.S. coinage. Now, let's talk about value. The worth of a coin like this is determined by its rarity, condition, and historical significance. Coins that are certified as authentic and in pristine condition can command extraordinary prices in the marketplace. Recently, one such 2000p gold dollar was sold for an astounding $111,000. Yes, $111,000 for a single coin. This remarkable price reflects the coin's rarity and the passion of collectors who recognize its unique place in history. The 2000p gold dollar is more than just a coin, it's a symbol of a transitional era, a rare artifact from the dawn of the 21st century. For collectors and history enthusiasts alike, it represents the perfect blend of art, innovation, and mystery. Look now, the story of the United States gold $1 coin from 1825 to 1829 is one of mystery, rarity, and exceptional value. These coins, though small in size, represent a significant chapter in the history of American coinage. Now, we're diving deep into the fascinating tale of these coins, uncovering their origins, designs, and why they're considered some of the most sought-after treasures in the numismatic world. The early 19th century was a time of significant economic and political change in the United States. The nation was growing, and its monetary system was evolving to meet the demands of a rapidly expanding economy. Gold played a critical role during this period, symbolizing wealth and stability. However, the production of gold coins was still in its infancy, and smaller denominations like the $1 gold coin were not yet a standard part of the currency system. Between 1825 and 1829, experimental and patterned coins became a focal point for the United States Mint. These trial pieces were created to test new designs and concepts for potential coinage. Among them were gold $1 coins that were never intended for circulation but rather served as prototypes for future coinage. These experimental coins, often referred to as patterns, are now incredibly rare and hold immense value for collectors. The designs of these coins reflected the artistry and craftsmanship of the time. The obverse typically featured a depiction of liberty, a symbol of freedom and progress, while the reverse showcased an eagle, representing strength and independence. The intricate details of these designs were a testament to the skill of the mint's engravers and their dedication to creating coins that were not only functional but also beautiful. What makes the gold $1 coins from 1825 to 1829 so extraordinary is their scarcity. These coins were produced in extremely limited quantities, and most were never released to the public. Over time, many of these experimental pieces were melted down or lost, leaving only a handful in existence today. For collectors, discovering one of these coins is like uncovering a hidden treasure, a tangible link to a pivotal moment in American history. The rarity of these coins has made them highly desirable in the world of numismatics. Collectors and historians alike are drawn to their unique story and the mystery surrounding their creation. Each coin is a piece of history, offering a glimpse into the experimentation and innovation that shaped the development of the nation's currency. Now, let's talk about value. The worth of a gold $1 coin from this period is determined by several factors, including its rarity, condition, and historical significance. Coins that are well preserved and authenticated can command extraordinary prices in the marketplace. Recently, one such coin from this era, a pristine and exceptionally rare example, was sold for an astonishing $280,000. That's right, $280,000 for a single coin. This incredible price reflects not only the coin's scarcity but also the enduring fascination with America's numismatic history. The gold $1 coins from 1825 to 1829 are more than just pieces of currency, they're symbols of a nation's growth, creativity, and ambition. For collectors and history enthusiasts, owning one of these coins is like holding a piece of the past, a reminder of the ingenuity and determination that built the foundation of the United States. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of rare and valuable coins. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible story of the gold $1 coins, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating tales from the world of numismatics. Until next time, keep exploring and uncovering the extraordinary treasures of history.